everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a showcase walkthrough video of my finished Little Golden Book Junk Journal featuring Alice in Wonderland and Country Craft Creations Tea in Wonderland paper collection. I have a separate tutorial video for this, but I wanted to show you my finished junk journal real quick. Here on the front, I used the covers of the book, the Little Golden Book, for the front and the back. I did cover it with paper here. I show you in the tutorial how to make it with a wider spine. Still keep some of the gold here trim on the front and the back. And then I added a gold die cut frame. This is cut out with a graphic 45 die. Added a cluster of flowers from a stash, some buttons, tied ribbon that I had in my stash here on the front with a little teacup charm, some flowers, more of the lace and ribbon. And then, of course, here on the back spine, I have a cluster of ribbon and lace with a moon charm and another teacup. So let's take a look inside. Oh, and also I did add some flat back enamels and pearls here on the front. So in the inside cover, I just wrapped the ribbon around that I tied on the front, and I added this real pretty floral lace. This is all from my stash, and these are the flat back pearls that I had in the pink. I added a doily here with some of the flowers, more lace, and one of the cut-aparts from the collection, some black jute twine, and another pearl. And I kept the story intact, so there's 3-page sets. So the first set goes all the way through the first part of the story, so you can read the story. And then we have the paper from the collection. We have the Wonderland cut apart here. I did do stitching on my pages. Love how that turned out. Let me hold it up where you can see it a little better. I just did it in a weavy wandering pattern with a zigzag to kind of make it look like it's wandering around in Wonderland. And I did it on all the pages. That's optional. We have some half pockets here with lace and buttons, tags inside the pocket. I used some of the gold like I used in the frame to make a mat. These are tags that I punched out with my die cut machine, more of the cut aparts from the collection. It's a fun collection to work with. You have a lot of things that you can make for your inserts. So here we have a little ribbon belly band with some of the floral lace that I cut into little flowers. Put 2 down here as well. This is a tuck spot behind here with a little folded piece of paper, rounded corners. Really simple to do. More of the cut aparts here. Here is the pocket page that actually holds the story pages in. I did some lace and ribbon, some vintage buttons, some of the cut aparts. I stitched on some cardstock to make a photo mat, added some of the pearls. So these are more cut aparts from the collection. That just tucks in there. Back side has another pocket, lace, one of the flowers cut out of lace, a little safety pin, button, and bit of the ribbon. Drink Me, the potion that Alice drank, and some more photo mats and the cut aparts. And here's page set 2, which has this continuation of the storyline. There are several different little Alice Golden books that you could choose from to use with this paper collection. There's that one with the rabbit in the hat, the Mad Hatter's hat. So these pages, I just left them with nothing on them, just the stitching. This is a fun pocket. This is a matchbook pocket. It lifts up, and then it has little tags, the cut aparts, the teapot, the cup, some tags I made, a little booklet here. It's just folded paper, rounded the corners, and that tucks in. And then I added a flower charm, one of the flowers, and some more of the ribbon and things. And this just tucks right in behind there and holds it closed. No magnet. This half pocket here has more cut aparts, a tag, and also a lace doily. And then I added one of the cut aparts, this is a piece of lace that I had in my stash where you could just cut the flowers apart, and then a button. On this side, I added a little booklet that just opens up, held closed with this little punched out circle from the paper, added a flower and a black twine there. This pocket here has a tag I punched out with a die, another gold photo mat, and one of the cut aparts. Here for this photo mat, I punched out the little circles with a 3/4 inch circle punch, just the tiny little miniature cards, added some of the lighter pink pearls, flat back pearls there between it, and one of the cut aparts. So that's tucks in this pocket that I have decorated with a piece of lace, one of the hearts from the cut aparts, one of the flowers, a circle, and the little pearl there. And so this is the third section of the story that continues. So all of it's together. And we have more of the paper here. Love these images. And then this pocket has two tags. This tag has one of the flowers with the pearls, and this one just has the ribbon that matches. I love these scallop tags. This is a die that I have in my stash. It's by Scrap Diva. And then you come here to the triple pocket. So it has a small tag in the bottom pocket. It has one of the scallop tags out of cardstock, and then a scallop tag out of the paper. So that just, you have one at the top pocket. That one goes all the way in there like that. Then the next one has a tag, and then this, whoops, here and here. And then I added a cut apart some of the pearls, and I punched out circle there in the center. This is a tuck spot. I didn't add anything to that, but you can tuck a photo in there or another photo mat. Here we have a photo mat with a tuck spot that I stitched in. This is from the cut aparts, and that's one of the cut aparts there. So that tucks in like that. Then we have a doily here with the heart and the club, the spade and the club. I don't play cards. And then we have another stitched photo mat with a tuck spot there. And then here on the back cover of the album, I glued down a photo mat that is stitched that does have tuck spots underneath where you could slip a photo up under there, and it is a belly band back here. So that is my Alice in Wonderland junk journal, the little golden book junk journal. This is the showcase walkthrough video. I do have a separate tutorial video on my channel on how I made this, which you can also use this design to make others, like I did the Tale of Peter Rabbit. I have a separate showcase video on this one, and I just had so much fun making these junk journals. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell to be notified of my next tutorial or video share. Check out countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking supplies, your paper craft supplies, the wonderful collections that I use. This one was Blossoms in Springtime, and this one was Alice Tea in Wonderland. There are lots of exclusive paper collections there. She has a new storyline collections coming out that you might want to check out at countrycraftcreations.com. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.